guys, I hope you are doing well. I welcome you all in the shopping world of semoriver.com. Guys, this is not my website. I'm not the owner. I am just here to review the website, aware you guys with genuine and unbiased Semoriver reviews. So guys, after my review gets completed, your cup of knowledge will going to be filled with whether the site is a legit or a scam. So guys, let's see what homepage has for you. Guys, as per my opinion, the homepage it looks quite mesmerizing and quite beautiful. It has variety of stuff like customer favorites, health and beauty, toys and kids, tools and gadget, electronics, pets and much more. Even guys, if you wanted to have any information about discounts, coupons, special promotions, just sign into the newsletter, write your email address and sign up. Guys, next scroll down and see there are so many information available on the screen. So guys, we'll start with about us section, as about us section decide about what the site has for you. At semoriver.com, they love every passion and interest on earth because it is reference to your uniqueness. Every individual is unique and so their choice and so the product of Semoriver. The product helps you use to express yourself in a better way. As you can see, all the information is given. Guys, next is privacy policy. Guys, privacy policy says that they collect your information, your personal data, secure your data, and how they collect the services and products they use, then how they provide information about product and services, how they communicate, all the information is given on the site. Guys, next is contact us section. As you can know, for every customer, contact us section is very important because as a customer you have a right to know to whom to contact, from where you're going to get the detail about the product, about the information. So guys, if you are facing any problem, just email them on supportnc01@dreamxn.com. Guys, next is return policy. As you know that some products are not as per your requirements and you wanted to exchange that product, so you can easily return them within the 14 days of time period. Refunds are also applicable. So if you have any problem, contact them to the given website, given site on or the given address on the website. Guys, next is terms of service. Guys, as you know, the terms of service is also very important. Throughout the site, the terms we, us and refer to the semoriver.com. They offer this site including all the information, tools and services. All the information about terms and services, the life of the website, general condition, accuracy, all information are given. Check it out guys and then make your final decision about your buying. Guys, after is shipping information. So guys, as a user, you have the right to know about when your product will be delivered, how shipping will take time and all such information. So it will take about 10 to 20 days approximately to reach at your place. You can see intellectual property rights is also given. Guys, you can have a look. Even guys, you can make the payment via PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, American Express. So guys, as per my introspection, I found the site does not have any authorized identity. There are no authentic and trustworthy information available on the website. No social interaction. Even guys, you can see the homepage. Guys, the homepage doesn't have so much of information. Even guys, users are not happy with the product. Users say when they found the address on the Google Maps, the registered address is not of any commercial building or any commercial house. It is found to be a resident. Even Google has revealed that if you type about this review, particular summer, that is Sam over review, it will give you information of some another brand. That means guys, the site is fake. It pretends to be on Facebook, Insta, but in reality the store is not present anywhere. So guys, in my opinion, the site is a scam. But still guys, your comments are the last resort for deciding the legitimacy of the website. So guys, do share your reviews, make comment in the comment section, as a comment can safeguard thousands of shoppers like you. So guys, I won't recommend you to spend a single penny on shopping via this store. Guys, secure your pocket, secure your money, and don't spend on such sites. Just read out our reviews, go through our reviews, and then come to any decision. So guys, if you found our information to be helpful, subscribe our channel, stay tuned with us. Thank you for listening, and guys, have a nice day ahead.